Hi, hello everyone from B1 Engineering Placements. Today we are going to discuss about number series chapter in aptitude. This one is very important for placements and competitive exams like as banks, SSC, GATE and any other exams. Today we are going to discuss about all these aptitude questions with solutions and we provide shortcut solutions for these problems. First problem, before going to this problem, number series. How to solve the number series. Now here we see that here number series means here some group of numbers is given in some order. So between that numbers, difference is less. Difference is less. Use addition and subtraction. Difference is more. Use multiplication or division. So in any problem, 0.5, 0.25, 0.75, these numbers will come. Compulsory multiply that numbers with 0.5, 0.25, 0.75. Or the difference is less, we add that values. 0.5, 1, 1.5 multiply or add these values. If the difference is less. And sometimes the difference between numbers is in the form of squares or cubes or combination of these two. So this is the basic of number series. Once again, it is a, if the difference between that numbers is less, plus or addition or subtraction. Difference is more, multiplication or division. That numbers is in the form of 0.5, 0.25, 0.75, multiply with 0.5, 0.25, 0.75 or add that values. The difference between the numbers, they are also in the form of either squares or cubes or combination of both. Now come to first problem. 12, 22, 69, 272, 1365. Now find the next number. What is the next number? Now here observe that this difference is more. More means compulsory. So here it is increasing order. It is increasing order means we multiply. 12 2 ja 24 minus 2. 22 3 ja 66 plus 3. 69 4 ja 4 9 ja 36. 4 6 24 27 276 minus 4 plus 1 time minus 4 into 5 plus 5 into 6 minus 6. 6 5 ja 30 minus 6 24. Last digit is 4. Last digit 4 option is only one is there. So that is the right answer. 8184. Next. Here we observe that directly we know these are in the form of cubes. 1 means 1 cube. 3 means 3. 27 means 3 cube. This is 4 cube. This is 5 cube. So this middle value is 2 cube. 2 cube value is 8. 8 means option number 4 is the right answer. Next. Here we observe that here 104, 153, 189, 214. Difference is less. So here difference is here 49, here 36, here 25. 49 is 7 square. This is 6 square. This is 5 square. Next one is 16, 4 square. 214 plus 16 is 230. 230 option is not there. So option number 5, none of this is the answer. Next. Here, observe that the series 15, 17, 32, 49, 81, 130. So difference is less. Now clearly here one more thing here, observe that 15 plus 17, 32. We add these two. 17 plus 32, 49. We get this one. So present two values we add, we get next value. 32 plus 49, 81. 49 plus 81, 130. 81 plus 130, 211. Option number 2 is the right answer. Next question. 15, 17, 21, 29, 49, 45, 77 question mark. 15 plus 2, 17 plus 4, 21 plus 8, 29 plus 16. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 16 2 is 32, 45 plus 32, 77, plus 64, 4 plus 7, 11, 7 plus 7, 14, 141. Option number 3 is the right answer. Next. 13, 14, 13, 93, 376, 1885. Here difference is more. Difference is more means multiplication. 13 1 is 13 plus 1. 14 2 is 28 plus 2, 30. 33 is 90 plus 3. Into 1 plus 1, into 2 plus 2, into 3 plus 3, into 4 plus 4, into 5 plus 5, into 6 plus 6. 6 5 is 30 plus 6, 36. Last digit 6 means we have through two numbers. So multiply 6 5 is 30. 6 8 is 48 plus 3 51. 10 plus 16 6 16 1 6. Here both are 1 6. Next multiply 6 8 is 48 51. 6 8 is 48 plus 5 53. 5 6 1 6 1 is 6 plus 5 11 11. 11 3 310 plus 6 11 316. Option number 3 is the right answer. Next. 4 6 9 13.5 20.25 30.375. Now here these are the terms of points. So here divide 6 by 4. 6 by 4 value is 1.5. So into 1.5, 4 into 1.5, we get this one. Similarly, 6 into 1.5, 15 6 is 90. 9 into 1.5, 19, 15 9 is 135. Into 1.5. Into 1.5. Here also into 1.5. 15 5 is 75. 15 7 is 105. 112. 15 3 is 45. 56. 53 is 45. 45.5625. Option number 2 is the right answer. Next. 800, 240, 144, 86.4, 151.84, 31.104 question mark. Values are decreased. Decreased means division. 240 divided by 400. 0 0 get cancelled. 4 6 ja, 4 10 ja. 0.6 into 0.6. Here also we get same thing. Compulsory. Multiply all the values with 0.6. 6 2 ja, 6 4 ja. 6 4 ja, 0. 6 4 ja, 4 4 6 ja, 4 10 ja. 0.6. So here also multiply 0.6 means, so every number multiply with 0.6 into 0.6 into 0.6 into 0.6. 6 4 is 24, 6 1 is 6, 6 1 is 6, 6 3 is 18. 18.6624. Option number 4 is the right answer. Next, 9, 4.5, 4.5, 6.25, 13.5, 33.75. I already told that. So whenever that value is in the form of 0.5, 0.75, 0.25, compulsory that value is multiplied with 0.25, 0.5, 0.75. So 9 multiplied with 0.5, 9 half value is 4.5 into 1, 4.5 into, so 0.51 difference is 1. For 0.5 we add 0.5 we get 1. For 1 we add 0.5 we get 1.5. 55 is 75, 54 is 60, 67. So 1.5 plus 0.5, 2 into 2.5 into 3. 3 5 is 15, 3 7 is 21 plus 22, 3 3 is 9, 9 plus 2 11, 3 3 is 9 plus 1, 10. 10 point, 101.25. Before 2 digits, you put decimal. 101.25 means option number 1 is the right answer. Next, 705, 728, 774, 843, 935, 1050, question mark. Difference is less means find the difference first. Here, 23. Here, 728, 774 minus 728, 46. Here, difference is 843 minus 774 means 69. 23 1 jar, 23 2 jar, 23 3 jar. 24 4 jar, 92. 24 5 jar, 115. 24 23 6 jar. 6 jar, how much value? 8 3 138. We add that one. 8 8 1 1 1 double 1 double 8. Option not there, so none of this is the right answer. Next, here clearly observe that all these numbers they are in the form of squares or cubes. Now 1 2 2 square, 1 square, or 1 power 1. This is 3 cube. This is 2 power 4 power 4. This is 5 power 5. This is 6 power 6. What is the value of next? 7 power 7. So what is the value of this one? Find that one. 7 power 7 means 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. So suppose you multiply these values, it takes so much of time. So here we use unit digit method. That means find the last digit. Depending on the last digit, we decide the option. 7 7 is 49. 49 means last digit is 9. 9 7 is 63 means last digit is 3. 3 7 is 21. Last digit is 1. 1 into 7, 7. 7 7 is 49. Last digit 9. 9 7 is 63. Last digit is 3. So last digit is 3. So here we have only one option. Last digit is 3. So option number 5 is the right answer. Next. Next one is 30, 46, 78, 126, 190, 270 question mark. So difference is less. 16, 32, 48, 60, 80, 48, 64, 16 4, 16 5, 80, 16 6, 96. 16 series, 16 multiples here. The difference. 6, 16, 3, 366. Option number 2 is the right answer. Next. Next question. 1250, 500, 200, 80, 32, 12.8. Decreasing. Decreasing means division. 500 by 1250. 52 ja, 55 ja. 25 2 ja, 25 5 ja. 2 by 5. 0.4. 5 4 20. 0.4 into 0.4. Here also multiply with 0.4. We get this one. Yes. 5 4 20. We get same thing. Into 0.4. Into 0.4. Into 0.4. Into 0.4. 4 8 is 32. 4 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 11. 4 1 is 4 plus 1 5. 5.12. Option number 1 is the right answer. Here also here observe that this series, this is alternate series. Alternatively that values increases. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 25, of 25 next value, 26. Option number 3 is the right answer. Next, we observe that clearly the series. This is in the form of squares and cubes. This is 2 square. This is 3 square. This is 4 square. This is 1 square. This is 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube. Next value is here 4 cube. 4 cube value is 64. Option number 1 is the right answer. Next. 3, 4, 12, 576, 2, 7, 6, 4, 8. See here difference more means multiplication. 3 into 4, we get 12. 4 into 12, 48. Now 12 into 48, we get this number. So this is the right answer. 12, 4, 12, 8, 96. 12, 4, 48 plus 9, 57. 576, we get this number. So 48, the 58 is the right answer. Again, that option is not there. So none of this is the answer. Next. Here, 4, 12, 60, 420 question mark, 60060. So here also difference more means multiplication. 4 3 ja 12, 12 5 ja 60, 67 ja 420. Into 3 into 5 into 7 into here 9 or 11 we decide. First 9, 0, 9 2 ja 18, 9 4 ja 36, 37, 3780 into 11. 0, 11 8 is 88, 11 7 is 77, 85, 11 3 is 33, 41. 11 3 is 33 plus 8, 41. But here that value is not there. So suppose here multiply with 11. 0, 11 2 is 22, 11 4 is 44, 46, 4620. Into next value is 13. That means 9 means it is not a prime number. 11 is a prime number. So 3, 5, 7 is a prime number. Next prime number is 11. Next prime number is 13. So multiply this 13 0, 13 2 ja 26, 13 6 ja 78, 80, 13 4 ja 58 plus 8, 52 plus 8, 60. 60060 will get this one. So now that answer is 4620. So option number 1 is the right answer. So here multiplication factors are into 3, into 5, into 7, into 11. So these are the prime numbers 3, 5, 7, 11. 9 is not a prime number. So next into 13. 13 is also a prime. Next 6, 349, 5, 65, question mark 754, 781. Here difference is more. Here 343. Here 216. Here 27. 27 is 3 cube. This is 6 cube. This is 7 cube. Here difference is 5 cube. Here is 4 cube. 4 cube means 64. So here 754 minus 64. 0, 15 minus 6, 9, 690. So now this value is 690. So 565 plus 125, 690 we get. So option number 4 is the right answer. Two 89, 303, 324, 352, 387, 429 question mark. So the here also difference is less. So find the difference. 11, 14, here 21, here 28, here 35, here 42, 7 2 ja, 7 3 ja, 7 4 ja, 7 5 ja, 7 6 ja, 7 7 ja, 49. So 18, 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 4, 478. Option number 1 is the right answer. 45, 43, 83, 2, 45, 975, 4869. Here difference more, and also increasing order means multiplication. Into 1 minus 2. Into 2 minus 3. 42, 43 2 is 86 minus 3. Into 3 minus 4. Into 4 minus 5. Into 5 minus 6. Into 6 minus 7. 6 9 is 54 minus 7. 47. That means last digit is 7. So last digit 7 option is only 1 is there. So option number 4 is the right answer. Next one. 31, 34, 71, 216, 867, 4338. Difference more. More means multiplication. Into 1 minus 3 plus 3. 31 plus 3, 34. Into 2, 68 plus 3. Into 2 plus 3. Into 3 plus 3. Into 4 plus 3 is the common. Into 5 plus 3. Into 6 plus 3. 8 6 is 48 plus 3. 51. 51 means last digit is 1. Last digit 1 is option is only 1 is there. So that is the right answer. Next question. 200, 231, 264, 299, 336 question mark. So here we find the difference. 31, 33, 35, 37, 31, 33, 35, 37 means next value is 39. 15, 6 plus 1, 7, 375. Option number 3 is the right answer. Next one. 10, 22, 8, 24, 6. Alternate numbers we choose 10 minus 2, 8, 8 minus 2, 6. 22 plus 4 plus 2, 24. 24 plus 2, 26. Option number 4 is the right answer. Next question. 27, 64, 125, 216, 343. Observe that all these are cubes. 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube, 6 cube, 7 cube, 8 cube. 8 cube value is 512. Option number 1 is the right answer. Next question. 60.5, 72, 84.5, 98, 112.5. So here increasing value, but that difference is very small. That means addition. This value is 11.5. Here this value is 12.5, 13.5, 14.5. So here 11.5, 12.5, 13.5, 14.5, 15.5. 0.5, 0.5, 1, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 2, 128. So 112.5, 15.5 plus 1, 7, 8 to 128. 128 option is there, not there. So option number 5, none of this is the answer. Next. 96, 107, 129, 162, 206. Difference less. Find that one. 11, 22, 33, 44. 11 multiples. 11 2 is 11 3 is 11 4 is 11 5 is 55. 261. So option number 2 is the right answer. Now here also that difference is less and also increasing order. Find the difference. 23, 46, 69, 92, 115, 138. Add this one. 17, last digit is 7. Only one option is there, that is the right answer. Next here. Here difference is more. You know, that difference is more. More means multiplication. into 1 minus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3 3 3 is 9 9 3 5 is 51 59 plus 4 into 1 minus plus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3 plus 4 into 4 plus 5 into 5 plus 6 into 6 plus 7. 6 1 is 6 plus 7, 13. 13 means last digit is 3. Only one option is there, that is the right answer. Option number 5. 13, 13, 65, 585, 7605, 1, 2, 9 to 85 question mark. Here also difference is more means multiplication. 13 1 ja 13, 13 5 ja 65, 9 ja 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 4, 13 into 13 into 17 into 21. Now here how to decide this value here, we check it. 21 into this value takes so much of time to multiply. So here sum of the digits method we use. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 9, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 14 plus 8, 22, 22 plus 5, 27, 2 plus 7, 9, into 2 plus 1, 3, 9 3 ja, 27, 27 plus 27 means 2 plus 7, 9 is the sum of digits. Now here, which is the sum of digits is 9, we find that one. 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 6, 17, 17 plus 4, 21, plus 1, 22, plus 5, 27, 2 plus 7, 9, 4, 3, 7, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 6, 18, 18 plus 7, 25 plus 5, 30. This is 3. Most probably this is the right answer. 11, 19, 24, 30, 35. This is 8. 9 plus 1, 10, 14, 23, 31, 36. 3 plus 6, 9. So 2 9s is there. Find that value. 10, 12, 19, 27, 31, 36. This is also 36. 3 options is there. This one, and this one. So we find that value. How to find that value now? Here we see. So 129, 285. We find multiplication value is 21. 21 5 ja 105. 21 8 ja 28 160. 8 1 ja 8 168. 178. 85. Last two digits is 85. Here 85. Here 45. Here 75. Last two digits 85 means option number 4 is the right answer. Next last question. 1 16 81 256 625 1296 question mark. One is 1 square, 4 square, 9 square, 15 16 square, 25 square, now 41 42. Now here 1 plus 3, 4 plus 5, 9 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11, 36 square plus 13, 49 square. 49 square is 4096. Option number 1 is the right answer. I think everyone understood how to solve number series problem within 45 seconds. Please watch my videos. Please subscribe my channel. Please share to your DS and DS. please encourage me. Thanks. All the best for your future exams.